Hi guys, today I will explain how to sell Tron in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the application, once it will be open. If I scroll down, this one is my crypto list of my Trust Wallet. The next thing is, we have to find the Tron, and if it scroll down here, you will see USDT. But what if you did not find it? Then scroll down to the last and tap on the option Manage Crypto. Once you will tap on it, all the cryptos which are available will be shown. The next thing is tap on the search bar and search for your Tron. Like Tron is in USDT. So we need to enter that. Once I will enter, multiple USDT will be available. And here you can see Tron, simply turn it on by clicking on this option. Once it will turn into blue, that will be added in my list. Let me go back, and here you can see Tron. Now we want to sell, so we need to click on it. Once we will click on it here, you will see multiple options from these. This one is the exact options. Click on it. Just enter the amount of Tron which you want to sell. You can also change the currency by clicking on this flag icon and choose your desired. The last thing is click here and enter the amount of Tron which you want to sell just for showing you. I will enter one because I don't have enough, and so the next option is not available. But if you have, then it will be on, and click on it, and your order will be in list, and within few minutes, you will sell Tron in Trust Wallet easily.